Hello.
Ma'am.
Hi, Monip. Sophia,
Hello, ma'am.
could you make me the host and pause the recording till we start the session, please?
Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am.
Sophia, could you pause the recording, please?
Yes, ma'am. Now your voice is coming.
And make me a host, please? Okay, so who was that guy? Should I ask you that?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Okay,
Yes,
excellent.
ma'am.
And how did how did you find the speech?
It was very
Awesome.
motivational.
Okay, what did you all notice in that speech?
Ma'am, he said a story that how his company collapsed
Okay,
and
right.
how
What
the
else?
next generation,
There is
next
always
generation should.
And
someone.
how his company grew.
Okay, what else did you notice? Come on, guys. Okay, now, stop giving me all the right answers. I'm looking for something very funny, right? What else
There
did
was
you
How
notice?
the
music in the
generation,
background.
how the next generation should develop.
Okay, Ahmed, the music. Okay, the music. You know how they were keeping that music, like scoring it high and like making it as more emotional because the words were getting more emotional with the music. Something else that you notice. I want to see how many of you are naughty like me. Come on, guys. Something else that you noticed in the
There were
speech.
people behind him.
Oh yes, Apila, well done. Did you see
He
that
was
lady?
recording.
She was
One man
sleeping.
That man was recording.
like this.
Oh my God,
Lady,
that
she was
lady was
sleeping.
actually nodding off. Oh well, I'm so glad you noticed that. Because that's what I usually do when I'm watching some. I always see the background first, like who's doing what and whose expressions are what. So well, okay, I know Amina is naughty like me, so thank you so much. Okay, guys, back to
Man,
your.
there was a man, old man who was sitting like this and taking his phone and doing some recording something.
I know he was recording, and he had a very nice, pleasant smile on his face. You know
Like
what
this.
that smile indicates?
Naughty person.
Naughty
And he
person.
didn't do that.
That smile on the face reminds me of some of my Mandelas, wherein they're trying to say, okay, look, we are paying attention, but we are not listening to anything you're saying. Am I right? And there is Mudabbir and Mosam smiling now. Farhala is smiling. So I got the culprit who are not paying attention in my class. Ahmad must have gone off to sleep, and Humaira must be busy doing her artwork, right, Humaira? By the way, Humaira is excellent in calligraphy. I've seen some of her artwork and very brilliant, Humaira. Okay, guys, so for your lit circle, for your assessment, it's going to be your written and your oral. Okay, so
Man, let's do it now.
okay, yeah. You'll be assessed. The scoring would be done on the written part and the oral part, and it would be something fun and interesting, like what we had last time. Last time you had to convince Virus to start Golden Sparrow. So this time also it would be something on those lines. Maybe not Virus, but something different, something fun, wherein you will be scored on your vocab, like how good your language is. You will be scored on the confidence. You'll be scored on how well how clear you've written. With clear, I don't mean good handwriting, guys. Okay, with clear, I don't mean good handwriting. It's like how clear was, and correct and concise was your passage. So based on that would be your assessment. It's going to be really simple. Just two things you have to do: just write and talk. That's it. So maybe by today we all would know what subjects you're taking. Hopefully, I'm hoping that you all Mandelas are taking all the 8 subjects. Yeah, because as it is, the top 5 marks would be taken. So yeah, okay. All right. Y'all have an access to your Google Classroom. I've posted a material right now in Google Classroom. Yeah, please just look at that. It's a poem I've posted. And any questions about your assessment? Sorry, I forgot to ask that. No questions about your assessment? Okay, that means nobody's taking lit circles. Oh, I'm relieved. I don't have to
No,
prepare
I'm
for.
taking lit circle.
Oh,
Ma'am, there is a poem. I
Ma'am, I'm
put a
also taking.
flutter in my brain.
oh yeah. Farhana, please don't take lit circle. Yes, yes. Sophia, open your lit circle and you'll see a poem in there. I really thought you
I
would be
got it,
taking.
ma'am.
Yes, excellent. I want you all. Yeah, fantastic. Ahmad,
I'm also
Humaira.
taking.
Yeah, Sophia, I
Yes.
knew
Ma'am,
it.
I also got the poem.
Poem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Humaira, you got the poem? Okay. Mosam Mudabbir, everybody.
Whatever I
Mosam
subject, I
Mudabbir,
think
I
you will.
want you to take lit circle. Please. Even if the others don't take, I don't mind, but I want you all to take lit circle
We are taking lit circle.
for your assessment. Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
you're
Teacher,
taking.
what would
Excellent,
the questions
excellent.
be?
The questions. I can't give you the questions right now, Ahmad. It's just going to be two things. You have to do a talk. That's it, and you have to write. That's it. Nothing else. I cannot give you the topic right now. I'll give it to you, say on Friday, that is tomorrow, and you all can prepare for it. Once we get all the students who are appearing for lit circle, and then I'll be giving a I have this I really want Mozam and Mudabbir to take. For my personal reason, I really like, I love all of you, but for this exam I want you all to appear. Your mom would be so happy and proud, Mozam, Mudabbir. Yeah,
Ma'am,
so
I
please
saw the
do that.
poem. What is it about?
Yeah, you have to explain it to me, Amina. What's the poem all about? Okay. Can it?
One.
Hello,
But,
Abdullah. You came in late. We'll explain you about the lit circle again.
ma'am, the brain is having a funeral. I don't know why.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, Abdullah. We'll fill you up with the assessment later on Google Classroom. Just check. I've sent a poem. I want you all to read it. Okay. I felt a funeral in my brain and moaned to and fro, kept treading till it seemed that sense was breaking through. And when they were all and when they all were seated, our service like a drum kept beating till I thought my mind was going numb. And then I heard them lift a box and creak across my soul. With those same boots of lead again, that space began to toll. As all the heavens were a bell, and being but an ear, and I and silence some strange race, racket solitary here. And then a plank in reason broke, and I dropped down and down, and hit a world at every plunge, and finished knowing then. Okay,
This poem
right.
is this about never giving up. This
This,
author, I guess, he gave up on his dreams,
okay,
and yeah, he gave up on his dreams. So that's why, because there were some people who, I guess, they tried to discourage him that if you become a warrior, you will die, this and that. So he was saying that I felt like very bad inside me, that I gave up on my dream, that what you
wow.
wanted to become, he felt very bad. That's why he said as a funeral in my brain. So he felt bad in his heart that I gave up, because just because people say that um that if you become a warrior you will die, this that.
Felt like
So
he let everybody
yeah,
down.
so he felt like bad that everyone is saying that. So he also did that. That I'll not become a warrior. That I'll die. If I do something, I'll die or something will happen. So he gave up on his dream. That's why he's feeling bad. So that's why he wrote this poem.
Excellent, excellent, Safiya. Yes, I like. This is a very different perspective, but lovely perspective. That this he's talking about the death of his dream. Okay, Amina, you want to go next?
It's talking about his dream and how he wanted to do it, but he let everybody down and he was not able to succeed.
Okay, right. Anybody else? Go on. I want everybody's input in this. It doesn't matter. See, it's a poem. Everybody. That's the best part of the poem. Everybody has their own perspective, their own viewpoint on it. So nobody's right and nobody's wrong. Yes.
The main thing of the poem is that no one should ever give up.
Ma'am, can I say?
Abdullah is talking. Just a minute. Abdullah, are you there or you just gone? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I told
Yeah.
you.
No, no, you muted yourself by mistake. The main thing about poem you said and then you muted yourself.
The
Ma'am,
main thing is that if what? Yes, no one should ever give up.
No one should ever give up. Okay. Muneeb, go on.
ma'am, I see like he was having a dream, but he failed in his dream. So he failed what his dream was. So that is why he returned this poem.
Okay, okay. Now I want some different perspective. Everybody's talking about dream. What other perspective do you think can be? What other viewpoint? Think about it. I felt a funeral in my brain. Okay, and what do you think it could be?
His brain was not working like he wanted to.
Kept beating till I thought my mind was going numb.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the boy was very disappointed. He
Humaira,
thought
Humaira.
of his
Go.
dream.
Sorry.
The boy was thinking about his dream and he felt very disappointed.
He was thinking about what, Humaira? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
He was thinking about his death.
Okay, and he felt disappointed. Okay.
He's saying that he thought and thought that
Safiya,
what
Safiya,
other
I'll
people.
come to you. I'll come to you. Let Farhana speak, then I'll come to you. Just a minute. We go in an order. Who's
I
going?
think
Yeah,
it's
go
like
on, Farhana.
because of the mental trauma. Mental trauma. I think it's because of mental trauma.
Very good. It's all about a mental trauma, you know, like you mean he's going into a depression or he's going crazy. That's what you're trying to say, right? Okay, excellent. I like that also. Yes, Safiya, you wanted to say something.
I guess because he gave up on his dream, he's thinking that what other people will say about me, and because of thinking that he's going crazy, that what should I do? He doesn't know what to do.
Okay, I like that. Yes, because when you're talking about in this stanza, okay, mourners to and fro kept treading and treading till it seemed. So yes, Safiya, what you're saying is true. Okay, I'm going. See, all your perspectives are right. I'm not saying that what Farhana said is incorrect or what Humaira said is even that is correct. But I'm just going along with what Safiya said that. He's worried about what people are going to talk, when you're talking about mourners to and fro. So yes, you can relate that. Excellent. Yes, Farhana, please go ahead more on that point also. What you're saying, it's talking about mental instability. I think we all are mentally unstable, right? Yeah. So please go on. All of you could just, yeah, go on.
Or maybe the person who wrote the poem is looking at someone's death, so that's why.
Okay.
Maybe the person was feeling depressed. Like
Yes, Amina, right. You can have that also. When you're talking about a death, it's not necessary a physical death, maybe a death of your mental state also. Okay. Yes, Abdullah Ahmed, Mazhab Mudabbir.
Maybe he had a bad day and he's not feeling happy.
Yeah, maybe he had a bad day, and that's one of the reasons he's feeling all those things. Okay. Yes.
the day.
Sorry, Amina.
He got bullied.
Oh, he got bullied. Okay, all right. Okay, so that would assume we would assume that it would be a teenager at that time. Yeah. Ahmad, what about you?
He must be
Do we have
troubled.
Ahmad? Oh yeah, he must be troubled. So again, we're talking about the mental aspect, that mental instability. Okay, so how can we relate that? Come on, guys, tell me. How will you relate Safiya, Munib, and Humaira? You all talked about the dreams. Okay, how would you relate that in the entire poem? Can you relate it with the other stanzas? And Farhana, Amina, Ahmad, you all were talking about it being. Mental instability. So, how will you relate with other stanzas? Mozam, Mudabbir and Abdullah, yes, go on. How will you relate having a bad day with the other stanzas? Guys, there's nothing wrong, okay? It's everybody's viewpoint and perspective, how you think when you read the poem, how you feel. So just express what you're feeling and what you're thinking.
Ma'am, someone might have beaten this boy.
Okay?
Ma'am, yeah, it is saying a service like a drum keep beating. So he might have beaten him.
Okay, so we assume there would be, because it's a survey, so we assume there were many boys beating him, right, Mozam? Not just one. Okay, Abdullah didn't like that कि मुझे कोई मार के बताए उसको मैं ठीक कर दूंगा, right, Abdullah Saqib? Okay, cool. So we all want to be with Abdullah Saqib.
In second one, like the service like a drum keep beating. Ma'am, it is like someone was really irritating him.
Okay, how many of y'all have gone through that
Ma'am.
feeling that somebody irritates them? Honest, be honest. How many of y'all have gone through that feeling that somebody's irritating you? You know why I raise two hands? Because I get irritated every day. And you know, the one who's raising two hands like me, she irritates me the most.
Abdullah.
No, Farhana. Farhana. Abdullah, she doesn't mean Abdullah Saqib, okay? She means Abdullah Patel. Amina, you've never felt irritated in your life? Come on.
A lot of times.
Having two younger sisters, I'm sure you want to, you know, strangle them. And you would wish I was the only child. Yeah? Ahmad?
Yes.
Okay. And how many times have y'all irritated others?
Yeah, I'm not irritated anyone.
Munib, please, poll mat khulao abhi. I'll just ask everybody in the class, they'll only answer. Okay. Anyways, okay, coming back to where were we? Irritating. What were we talking about?
How can you relate the
Yeah,
dream
right.
with the stanzas?
Huh?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Maybe-
because of the mental
maybe-
trauma, he felt that his brain was dying.
You know what, Farhana, you just irritated Abdullah Saqib because he was talking and you barged in, right, Abdullah? You want to punch her or should I punch for you? Yeah? And don't tell me that कि मैं लड़की को नहीं मारता, you know? Okay, chill. Yes, Farhana, let Abdullah speak first because he was talking. Go on.
Maybe he is the one who was irritating others, so maybe they got angry and they started beating him up.
Okay, right. Yes, Farhala, go on. You tell. Munib, that's a hint for you, by the way. Okay, Farhala, go on.
Ma'am, I'm saying because of the mental trauma, he felt like his brain was dying. Like he couldn't think of like anything other than that.
Okay.
Ma'am, I support
Ma'am,
Farhana's point.
Munib, hold on. Munib. Safiya and then Amina. Go on, Safiya.
I say I support Farhana's point. She's right.
She's
That
right.
he used to
Okay.
think, yeah, because he used to think that he will give up. He gave up in the ending. He thought that should I become or not? Should I become or not? And then he could not think, so that he said, let it go. Now I
Okay.
can't do it. So he gave up on his dream.
Yes,
That's what-
Safiya. Sorry, Amina, go on.
He might have lost a race or lost some competition.
Okay, he must have lost a race, lost a
He
competition.
didn't go ahead or he failed in his exam. He would have written, and then that's why he got really upset. And he had
Okay.
an exam which he didn't know the answers.
Yeah, actually, he didn't appear for Golden Sparrow exams. That's the reason he must have failed. Okay, Ahmad, do you want to say something? Humaira, Ahmed.
I was going now.
Oh, yes, sorry, Munib. Yes, you were going. Actually, you always go on. That's the reason I totally forgot. Yes, go on, Munib.
Ma'am, in second paragraph, he's saying, no, kept beating till I thought my mind was going numb. He was irritating someone, but no one was being irritated. That is why his mind got numb.
Oh, okay. Yes, Ahmad, Humaira, you want to add something? Yeah? Okay. What is Abdullah? He failed the exam because he did not study in Golden Sparrow. Yes, excellent, Abdullah. Thank you so much. I'm going to use that, you know, on Facebook. Yeah, excellent. Okay, so maybe the second stanza could be like, you know, the person is going into depression. Okay, and you know that beating in the drum is that confusion in the mind, that chaos in the mind. Okay,
Then
right?
what will others think about? He's thinking that what will others think about me?
Yes, that
And
confusion and confusion and that chaos is kept on playing in the mind.
until
And
unless he said that he thought that I just give up on this dream.
yes, yes, and that's one of the things, like thoughts coming and going in the mind, nothing being very, rationalized or stable. So that could be, beating of the drum. Excellent. Okay, right.
Can I go for the
Right.
paragraph?
Yes, you have to go. Believe you're going to go for all the paragraphs. And then I heard them lift a box and creak across my soul with those same boots of lead again. Then space began to toll. Yes,
Ma'am,
tell
it
me.
is
What do
like
you think?
Ma'am, it is like what he wants to become. Somebody is discouraging him that no, you cannot become, and he felt hurt. That is why it is written. And then I heard them lift a box across my soul.
Okay, okay. Anybody else wants to explain that one
Like
to
if he
me?
Ma'am,
wants to become a scientist, then um, huh, like if he wants to become a scientist, then he would have had this thought that what will I do? What if I don't get the Nobel Prize? What if the people they say that we don't need this? It's already invented. Why do we need this?
So it's like those discouraging and,
Yeah.
depressive thoughts he's having. Okay, yes, Mosam.
ma'am, ma'am, I think that those people, I'm relating what I said
Yes,
for
yes,
the
of
second
course.
paragraph to
You
the
have
third
to
paragraph.
relate to, listen, everybody, whatever ideas you'll came up first with, you'll have to relate all the stanzas
Ma'am,
accordingly only. So
after
please go ahead.
beating the boy, they put him in a box and were taking him away.
My goodness, you know what?
Or maybe
Remind me, Mosam, remind me never to be your enemy or never to go against you, because I know what you are capable of. Excellent, Mosam. And lead shoes, Mosam, what with lead shoes? Go on. Mudapir, what do you think?
They
You'll
beat
support?
him with the shoes and then capture him in a box and then took him.
Okay. Yes,
Maybe
Abdullah.
they were stamping their shoes loudly, so it sounded like their boots were made of lead.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Yes, Abdullah, go on.
maybe he was being dragged across the floor because he was so irritating.
My goodness, you
And
guys
then,
can
ma'am,
really torture.
and then, ma'am, he was taken to space.
Okay, okay, he was taken to space. All right. Yes,
Maybe it was,
Amina Farhana, go. Yes, Mudabir, sorry, go
maybe it
on.
was hallucinating.
Oh, yes, he was hallucinating. They beat him so much that he fainted and then he started hallucinating. All right, I like the way y'all think. Farhana and Amina, please go with your concept of unstable mind, please. Go on. What do you think this could mean?
And the last time that he was then a plank. So there's a plank now.
Right.
So he thought he was on the plank, but he was on the bed, and the bed broke. Like he's just imagining that the bed broke and he fell down.
Ma'am,
Okay.
or maybe he fell after all these thoughts, there was a hole he didn't realize. He was so deeply in his thoughts that he fell down, and that hole was stinking so much because he didn't clean his bedroom because
Oh
of his
my
thoughts.
God.
He fell down in that, and maybe his thinking said that hole was stinking so much that it was as strong as a lead.
You know what, guys? I haven't still disclosed. Yes, Amina, go on.
Some soldiers kidnapped him, and in one paragraph it says that they got him heavens to the ring of a bell,
Yeah.
got into the church, and then they killed him over there.
Maybe.
Oh my God. Okay. Ahmed, you want to add something to it? Ahmed
Man,
Humaira.
they threw him in the well. That's why he felt like he was falling.
Sorry, Farhana, I couldn't hear you.
Those people that took him and threw him in the well. That's why he felt like he was falling. I
Oh
dropped down.
yes. Oh yes. You don't relate it to Yusuf alayhi salam story. Okay, Ahmed Humaira, you want to say something? Guys, I have not disclosed the name of the poet. Okay, and once you
William Shakespeare.
No. I'll tell you all later, and I want you all to read the analysis also later. Okay, right. So, okay, further going down, where was I? Okay. Okay, as the heavens bell and silence, some strange race wrecked solitary here. Okay, and then a plank in reason broke, and I dropped down and hit a world at every plunge and finished knowing then. Yes. So, how do you want to end it? Go on. Come on, guys.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am, please?
After that,
Abdullah, you don't have an access to your this what do you call that Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am, I have, but I'm not
Oh
using it.
yeah, I've sent it on the Google Classroom.
Ma'am,
Okay, so you're being
ma'am,
that smart. Okay, just a minute. I'll just share it with him, please. Just a minute. I'll just need to
ma'am, I
share
guess
it
he
with
would have an
him.
idea. Then after that, again he gave up on that idea. Again because of that thought. I guess in the third paragraph he would have an idea, but then he's like, "That's fine. Let's leave this thing." And then again he got very distressed.
Okay, Sophia, the idea comes again to him. Okay,
ma'am,
No, he got distressed again. In the third paragraph, he gets an idea. After that, strongest lead, and then again after that, he says that this will not work, and then he again gives up on that idea.
okay. So
That's why he says
so,
like that.
so your end would be that he gets an idea and again he doesn't want to go ahead with it. Okay,
Yeah,
so he's kind of a coward, you
that
would
he
say,
knows that he's a coward and he can't do.
and he wants to give up in life. Okay,
Yeah,
yes, Munib. I put it on chat, Abdullah. You can
rather
check it.
than die.
Yeah, I checked it.
Munib, let Munib finish first. Yeah.
ma'am, it is written the last paragraph and then a plank in a reason broke and I dropped down and down. So, ma'am, I hit the wall. No, so it is like there was a well and then there was a plank, and the one who kidnapped them, they lay him on the plank, and then the plank broke and he fell into the well and hit the wall at a very plunk and finished knowing then, and then he died.
Oh, okay. So finally you kill the boy, Munib. Okay. So well, yes. Anybody else wants to go ahead with this?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I?
Yes, please. May I? Yeah. Go on.
Uh, Ma'am, I'm again relating it to the box.
Yes, you have to, Mozam. You
Ma'am, the
really.
box they kept it somewhere. It was made up of wood, and it was kept high up somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
So one plank broke, and the boy fell down and down and down, and then he actually woke up from a dream, and he fell from his actual bed where he was sleeping. So this
Okay.
was all a dream. The
Okay.
beating, locking in the box.
Okay. So, Mozam, I think your mom or your dad came in the room, and that's why you're being innocent and saying, "No, I am not beating any guy. It was just a dream," right, Mozam? Yeah. Okay. Abdullah, go on. You were saying something.
Ma'am, maybe he was taken to the moon and he jumped from the rocket and he was falling very slowly, so that's why.
Okay, and that's it. Yes, Amina. Mutaffir, Humaira. Yeah, Amina, go on.
He fell from a mountain or something maybe.
Okay, so right, he fell from the mountain. Okay, excellent.
So, ma'am, when he fell on the moon, he thought that he discovered something new, so he kept on doing that.
Okay, that's the reason. Knowing then, and then you have a hyphen. Okay, excellent. Yes, Farhana, go on.
Ma'am, maybe he was sleepwalking and then he went and fell off the stairs.
Oh my God, she's talking about herself. She does sleepwalking. Yeah, okay. So, and she does sleep talking also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, maybe like anything with there is the end of the boy only, ma'am. Any point there is the end of the boy only.
Okay. Okay. Ahmad, Humaira, are y'all there or have I lost y'all? When I'm talking to Ahmad and Humaira, I feel like they are in the space, or maybe I'm in the space and they are on the earth with that control room, and then I have to keep on checking. Humaira, are you there? Ahmad, are you there? And I get no response. So well, okay.
I'm here.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it's like you are convincing, like you are telling them that it's like when you're on the moon and then you don't have that thing, your battery is off, and then they start speaking. Is that what you mean? So that the person from there
Yes,
speaks,
yes.
speaks,
I don't
speaks.
get any response. That's the reason. Yes, Ahmed, you want to add something to it? Ahmed, you want to add something to it?
No.
Okay. Well, guys, you
Tell
know
me the
what?
author's name.
It's a poet. The poet name is Emily Dickinson. Okay. And yeah, she is famous for writing poems. She's a Victorian poet. Okay. So she's, in that old era, and she's famous for writing poem about death and all. Okay. And this poem, I loved the way y'all was so enthusiastic and your perspective was absolutely fresh. Fresh is not a word, because no matter whoever is given the analysis about this poem, nobody has come up with what you guys have said. So it was like brilliant, absolutely fantastic, and I had fun. But there are some other scholars who have done the analysis of this particular poem. Okay. And it's a bit different from what you guys have said. In fact, I wouldn't say a bit, it's lot different from what you guys have said. So don't worry, it's perfectly okay. Because like I said, it's
What did he
everybody's
say?
viewpoint and perspective. Okay. The people have said, okay, like first thing is like, remember, this is one of the small poem in an entire series of complete poem. Emily Dickinson, I would want you all to google her later. Okay. And okay, this is written in first person because it's right I, so it's like, first person. Okay. Now this is a brief summary of the poem. Okay. And now it shows like, how Emily Dickinson as a poet, okay, she has this wonderfully eccentric standards. Okay. It's This poem is about, going mad, about losing one's grip on reality and feeling sanity slide away. Okay. Right, that is one of the interpretations of the poem. It could be like even what you guys have said. I'm perfectly okay with everything you all have said, and in fact I really enjoyed it. Okay. Now in the first stanza, okay, the poem over here talks, the metaphor is about funeral. Okay, so the funeral is like what is going inside her head. Okay. And what I like the best about you guys, you all said that it's a he. It was like fantastic. It was like, I love this. There's no discrimination. I would call this gender equality, but beautiful. You all said he. Okay. But here the poet refers to a she. Okay. Right. And here it's talking about, in the first stanza, her sanity and reason have died. She can't think straight anymore, and the chaos inside her mind is like the mourners at the funeral. That means the confusion in her head, the thoughts that are running, rapidly from here and there. They're walking backward and forward. Okay. This is what is happening to her in her head. Okay. And the second one, the instant repetition of treading, this evokes a hammering, when thoughts after thoughts keep on hitting you in the head, and nothing seems clear, and the turbulence inside the speaker's brain. Okay. Now when you're talking about the drum beating, it's not about the guys beating. I like what you said, Mozam. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. This reminds, that what is happening is like it's going on and on and on, the confusion in her head, and she can't think straight anymore. She can't think straight anymore. Okay. Yeah. Finally, finally, when the plank opens, that plank is something, where in that stanza, when they say the plank open, it's as if, she can finally see some sense in it, some kind of reasoning in it, some kind of sanity is coming back to her, some kind of, through all that confusion and depression and sadness and, giving up hopes and giving up dreams. Finally some kind of common sense is coming back into her. Okay. Some kind of rational thinking is coming back to her. There is some kind of progress. Okay. And this shows there's a hope. There is a hope, and that the reasoning in her hasn't died, that she can still think about it. So, in the end, there are two conclusions you can make: whether she continues with her sanity, with her sane mind, or knowing then, it's like a hanging thing in between. It could be anything, or maybe she continues going crazy and insane.
That's
But
what I
but
said.
but I love the way y'all thought, and I love the way y'all said. So excellent. I would really applaud. You guys are fantastic. Brilliant thinking, everybody. So remember, just Google Emily Dickinson, and maybe you could read.
Ma'am, why why it was it the world when she hit the world like
That is when she completely loses in touch with the sanity. She completely loses her touch with the world, people, and she falls into the darkness of insanity and craziness. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, I like the falling off the bed and falling in the well. Like I said, it's different viewpoint, different perspective, the way you perceive things. It's fantastic.
man
Okay.
Ma'am, I
scholars
have a
speak they
question.
speak like this only
Ma'am, I have a
Yeah,
question, ma'am.
you guys are
because they are
scholars.
all educationalists.
No, Sophia. Do not underestimate yourself. You guys are
No,
scholars.
I'm talking about the
Respect.
scholars.
You
The
guys
other scholars.
are scholars, Sophia, because
How
y'all
come?
got such fresh thinking to this poem. Such fresh thinking to it. Something so different. I loved it. Yes, Munib, go on.
Ma'am, do you have to join in the last class?
What is there for the last class today?
Ma'am, it's Maths Tagore.
So only the Tagore would be joining in the
No, ma'am,
last
you
class,
said
right?
no. We will be knowing the subjects what you are taking for exam.
No. Y'all will be WhatsApping us.
Okay, okay.
Not for the
But in
last
the
class.
group, we have to WhatsApp.
Yes, not in the group. Dawood sir will let you know, okay, how you're gonna go about it.
Okay.
Okay, so for the assessment, Abdullah Saqib, since we're done with the poem, for the assessment of Lit Circle, you'll have to do writing. You'll be assessed in Lit Circle on two aspects only: your writing skills and your talking skills. That's it. Writing is how clear, concise, and how good your language is. Talking is how confident you are, like what you've done. Your voice modulation, your confidence, you're clear, how concise you are, because I don't want you to write like, whom I'm talking to, whom I'm pointing at when I say I don't want you to write pages and pages and pages. Yeah, Farhana. Yeah. Concise means to be to the point also, which is very important. The topic will be given to you by Friday, mostly if Dawood sir approves of it. And then you all can start working on it. So we'll be having your assessment next week at this time only, 11 o'clock. Okay. Any questions, any confusion, guys?
No, ma'am.
Mazda Mudabbir, Abdullah Saqib, I'm your friend. Huh? Because after what you said about the beating and the bullying and all, I really want to be your friend. Okay. And girls, it's okay to be crazy. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. All right. Then bye, everybody. Munib, let's not irritate anybody because